Guys, good morning. This is officially going to be the first vlog I'll be posting in this channel. I've never posted vlogs, and this is going to be the first I'm going to post. And is I've tried to create vlogs a couple of times, but I always end up not posting them because they are so cringe. I will even like they are so cringe. So I never post them, but I'm going to try to post this. I'm going to post this ones, however it's going to turn out. I don't actually care. So today is Saturday. I didn't go to work, so I decided to do like kind of a Saturday day. I don't even know, kind of like a vlog or about today. The aim of this vlogging to me is just me trying my hands on filming and editing videos once again, since it's been long since I filmed any video and edited any video, and since this is my first time of actually wanting to post the vlogs that I have done. So that's what this video is about. Please watch the video, tell me if you like it in the comment section, tell me if I did well in the comment section, and subscribe too. I'll be really happy if you subscribe. And when I woke up, I have this great craving. Like I was craving these noodles that I bought from an African shop. The name of the noodles is volcano chicken noodles. And the first day I ate this noodle, I was in love with the noodles. So I woke up craving it, and I decided to have it as breakfast. Of course, why not? So I'll leave you guys to watch this video. Thank you very much. I don't want to say anything again in this video. Please just watch it and tell me what you think in the comment section. I've been thinking about it.